So special thanks to this company for sending us their electric fireplace. Not a lot to show you with the box here, so we're gonna get this out of here and then show you exactly what this looks like. All right, so we've plugged this in, ran it over here to this outlet. And so to show you a little bit, you can open these. And so you open the right one first and then the left one. Whoa, didn't mean to touch it, but so that's literally how it turns on and off. Wow. Yeah, that looks really dope. So this seems like a timer. That changes the color. You can do the blue and orange or the red. Oh, you can change the color of the logs too. Red, orange. And that controls the brightness. Oh, that controls the speed. 4, 5, so it goes all the way up to 5. And then that must actually turn on the actual heat. So up here you have warnings, do not cover, grill surface will get hot when heater is running. So yeah, that far last button must be the actual heater. So there's the different colors. Wow. That's pretty dope. So different settings for this, off. So 1, 2, and off. Okay, well there we go. That's this heater. Definitely can feel the heat coming out of it. Very nice, looks really cool. And this is real glass, so yeah, look at that. And so there is also this controller. So color A, color B, the dimmer, the heat, as well as the timer. And there's where it tells you the time. There's where it tells you the time. 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours. So 8 hours is max. Essentially the same buttons that are right down there are on this. Thanks to this company for sending this to us. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces. Turns it off. And also the feet went on really easy. You just screwed them in with 2 screws and put on all 4 feet. Nice and simple.